So, show of hands, who can imagine themselves wearing shiny silver pants? Welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Teresa and this channel is all about affordable fashion. So if that sounds good to you, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 most wearable trends going into fall. And the best part is we're going to look at affordable options for these trends from Walmart. Let's jump right into the try on. The first wearable trend that was all over the runways for fall and winter are the colors red and burgundy. And this is probably my favorite wearable trend because it is so easy to incorporate. And wow, does Walmart have a ton of options for you to choose from. No matter what your personal style is, there is everything from tops to dresses to handbags to shoes. If you love red and burgundy like I do, this is your season. This trend is so wearable because you can add just a splash of red or burgundy, or you can go for a dramatic head-to-toe look. Here are some of the pieces that I picked up in red and burgundy, starting with the Scoop Women's Tie Neck Blouse. I paired this blouse with the Free Assembly Midi Length Denim Skirt and the No Boundaries Western Boot. Next, for a business look, I started with the Scoop Scrunch Sleeve Scuba Knit Blazer. I love this particular shade of red, it just really pops. Then I added the Free Assembly tie blouse in this fun polka dot print, which I think played off the red blazer so well. I slipped on the Time and Tru pull-on pant. These are available in 2 inseams, 29 inches and 31 inches. I'm wearing the 29-inch inseam. And then for another pop of color, I added the red Madden NYC Kitten Heel Slingbacks. I do recommend going up 1 size in these, ladies. For another pop of red, you can add this little Madden NYC bag to complete the look, with or without the blazer. For the next look, I started with a crisp white cotton top by Free Assembly. This one has feminine ruffle details at the neckline and sleeves. Then I added the Free Assembly denim mini skirt, although at 5'4", it's not really a mini on me. If you prefer a longer skirt, you could go with the midi length option we just talked about and then add that fun pop of red. I added the Madden NYC bag and the square toe ballet flats by Scoop. For the next look, I started with this gorgeous burgundy top by Sofia Vergara. This one is currently on clearance for around $10, by the way. Then I added the same Time and Tru pull-on black pants from earlier and added the Madden NYC bag, this time in black, and black slingback kitten heels by Time and Tru. Then for a more casual look, I took that same Sofia Vergara top and slipped on the Time and Tru flare cargo jeans. These also come in a green as well, and these are available in 3 different inseams. I've noticed that Walmart has more inseam options this season than any other season that I can recall, and I'm really happy to see that. But I digress. Then I added the sock booties in burgundy by Time and Tru. The bag that I'm showing in this look in the espresso color is sold out at the moment, although Walmart is doing a really good job of restocking pieces this year. But it also comes in a pretty plum color that would match back to this top beautifully. The second wearable trend for fall and winter, and is another one of my favorites, is leopard print. Ladies, you are going to see this trend everywhere for fall and winter. And again, Walmart did not disappoint with this trend. There is everything from tops to dresses to shoes to handbags. I think that this trend is so wearable because animal print for all practical purposes can appear very neutral, and yet it adds that little something something to any outfit. I gave this trend a spin with the Time and Tru midi length Shirtdress and added the Madden NYC tall black boot. You could also wear this dress with your favorite pumps or flats. If you prefer a knee length dress, they also have one by Time and Tru, this soft Shirtdress. The sizes are a little bit broken in this one, but most plus sizes are still available, and I do highly recommend this one. I love the feel and drape of the fabric on this one. This one looks cute with the Time and Tru harness ankle boots, the Time and Tru tall heeled slouch boots, and if you're not into heels, this slouch boot is also available in a flat. Then I popped on all black boot and added the Time and Tru shoulder buckle bag, and for my favorite look, I slipped on that same red scuba knit blazer and the Madden NYC kitten heel slingbacks. We'll circle back to kitten heel slingbacks in just a minute. Now, if you want to add just a little touch of leopard print to any outfit, you could try these ballet flats by Time and Tru, and at just under $13, these are such an easy and affordable way to work the leopard print trend right into your current wardrobe. These would really pop paired with either a caramel or a black top and light wash jeans. Oh, and before I forget, the top that I'm wearing is another easy and affordable way to work leopard print into your wardrobe. This one is a thin ribbed knit with a rounded hem, and it's perfect for layering. Walmart brings this one out every fall in new colors and patterns, and I always pick up a couple. It sells for just $7.98, so for under $8, you can have a leopard print piece in your wardrobe. I do recommend going up one size in this one because it is on the fitted side. I don't wear this one much on its own, but I typically wear this top layered. As soon as the weather gets cooler, I plan on layering this top with the No Boundaries cropped vest. In fact, let me throw this one on. This one is fully lined in this fluffy faux Sherpa, and it's also reversible so that you can wear it on the fur side. And if you prefer a full-length vest, there's also this beautiful burgundy one by Time and Tru. This one is also reversible, so you have this soft furry inside that you can wear on the outside. Both have pockets and both are very affordable. Just while I'm thinking of it, I have so many pieces to share with you for these 5 wearable trends that I had to kind of split up the links. So anytime that you see a collage on the screen, all of those pieces will be linked in a pinned comment in the comment section. Everything that you see on me during the try-ons, as usual, will be linked in the description box below for you in the order that they appear. I hope that's helpful. The third wearable trend for fall and winter, and I know I keep saying this, but this is another one of my favorites, is the cropped bomber jacket. I love to add layering pieces to my wardrobe in the fall and winter. And it looks like Walmart went in hard on this particular trend. There are a ton of cropped bomber jackets on the Walmart website. There's everything from faux leather to denim to satin to boucle to faux shearling. This trend is especially wearable if you are on the petite side and or you are short-waisted like I am, because it's going to hit at the smallest part of your natural waist. It also pairs beautifully in general with high-waisted jeans, so that even if you have a long torso, it's still going to work for you. For the first look, I started with the faux leather cropped bomber jacket by No Boundaries. I recommend going up one size on this one. Then I added a smoothing bodysuit by Sofia Vergara. I would also suggest going up one size in the bodysuit if you decide to try it as well. Then I added the Midi slip skirt by Time and Tru, the Madden NYC bag and tall boot. I also tried this same faux leather bomber jacket with the free assembly pleated mini shirt dress, and then for a casual look, I paired it with a simple V-neck tee, cargo flare jeans, the black sock booties, all by Time and Tru, and the Madden NYC bag. Next, I styled some looks with the Madden NYC cropped denim bomber jacket. I started with the same simple V-neck white tee and changed into the Lee black bootcut jeans. These are one of my favorite jeans at the moment from Walmart. I will, of course, have these linked below. And then I switched out the belt, the bag, and the ankle boots into this cognac color to kind of play off of the black. I also wanted to do a look with a dress with this denim bomber jacket. So I slipped on the Time and Tru ribbed knit swing dress in black. This dress is such a good basic, and it's currently on clearance for just $9.73. Then I added the same tall black boot and bag from earlier by Madden NYC. For the next look, I kept on the same base layers all in black, and I added this gorgeous Madden NYC boucle cropped bomber jacket. And this gave the outfit a completely different vibe. This one also comes in a really pretty blue colorway. Next, I switched out the black dress for the Time and Tru 3/4 sleeve dress in this pretty fall color. This dress is also currently on clearance for $9.73, and it comes in other colors. And then I added the Time and Tru shoulder buckle bag in black. The fourth wearable trend for fall and winter is the Slingback kitten heel. And I am here for this trend because, full disclosure, I can barely walk in a traditional heel, especially a big spiky stiletto heel. I love the height of a kitten heel. It still gives me just a little bit of height without feeling like I'm teetering and about to fall. And again, Walmart has a ton of options for you to choose from in several different finishes. Some have feminine details, some have a nod to the Moto trend, which we'll talk about in just a minute, and you're not just limited to pointy toes with skinny heels either. I know that many of you just don't do pointed toes, and I totally get it. You can get the same vibe with these options that are slingback but have a low block heel and a more rounded or square toe box. I picked up several pair of slingback kitten heels to share with you, starting with the Madden NYC Slingback with bow detail. These are available in 3 colors. You can go with a classic black, a leg lengthening flesh tone, or that very on-trend pop of red. And for another very on-trend look, you could go with the Scoop Moto Detail Slingback kitten heel. These are available in a deep rich burgundy with a patent leather finish as well as a matte black. Walmart also has flat slingback options for you, including these Madden NYC Almond Toe slingback flats with crystal detail. How fun would these be for the holidays? These are also available in all silver with crystals as well as plain black and flesh tone. And if you prefer a more rounded toe shape, these cap toe slingbacks by Time and Tru might be perfect for you. These are surprisingly versatile and go with just about any look. I added a black belt to my outfit to tie back to the black cap toe. These are also available in black and red as well. The solid options have a patent leather finish on the cap toe. The 5th wearable trend is anything that is Moto inspired. Think buckle and chain detail, and I'm not necessarily referring to the full-on biker chick look, although if that's your look, rock on, but I'm talking about a little bit of a subtle nod to Moto-inspired pieces. And again, there's a lot of affordable Moto-inspired options at Walmart, everything from jackets to shoes to handbags. And bear in mind that Moto-inspired does not have to mean that you're dressing in all black from head to toe. Again, it is just a nod to Moto-inspired. I think that the Moto-inspired pieces are such an easy trend to wear because you can mix and match them with pieces that are already in your wardrobe and get a fresh new look. Naturally, I picked up several Moto pieces to share with you, starting with one of my favorite pieces from Walmart so far this season, and that's the Sofia Vergara Moto jacket. What I like about this one is that it's an open style front, it's slightly shorter in the back, which works well for me since I'm short-waisted, and this one also comes in black. Another super easy way to incorporate the Moto trend into your wardrobe is with a boot. You could try this one by Madden NYC. I went with an all black look for this one, but you could easily add pops of color to visually lighten up the look. Here I'm wearing the Time and Tru mixed media hoodie. I know that it's hard to see the details on the black, so I will pop up a photo on the screen in the other colors. This one does come in 5 other colors, and honestly, any of these colors would work well with this look. I popped on the Time and Tru leggings and added the Madden NYC crossbody bag. This one gives a nod to the Moto trend with the chain details. It's also available in a pretty cherry red. And of course, the Moto-inspired burgundy kitten heels with that cute little buckle detail gives you 2 of the wearable trends in one because you have the burgundy and the Moto-inspired. Now that we've looked at some very wearable trends, just for fun, I want to talk about a couple of trends for fall and winter that I do not think are wearable. And the first one is silver everything. There is everything from shoes to boots to handbags to skirts and even shiny silver pants. So show of hands, who can imagine themselves wearing a pair of shiny silver pants? I know that I can't, unless I was doing a Halloween costume, maybe for a Lost in Space theme. Do you remember that show? If you do, let me know in the comments down below. I get that silver can be fun around the holidays, maybe a little touch of silver with a handbag or shoes or accessories, but I personally cannot imagine wearing these head-to-toe shiny silver fabrics. And in fact, the last time I wore a shiny silver fabric was the lame that they draped around you when you got your glamour shots done in the 80s. Case in point, you can tell it was the 80s by my big giant hair and my hussy makeup. I cannot believe I walked around looking like that for the rest of the day. Let me know, did you ever get glamour shots in the 80s? I'm really curious. It was quite the thing at the time. The next fall and winter trend that I just can't wrap my head around is the furry shoes. I'm going to pop up a picture. I cannot think of a scenario where these would work. If it's cold enough to wear fur, it's probably too cold to wear an open-toe shoe firstly. And what if it's raining or snowing? All of that fur is going to just drag and get wet, and even if it's not raining, it's going to get filthy. Now, I guess if you were going to an indoor event, right, and you carry the shoes in with you, and then you put them on, and then before you leave, you take them off, and you put on something more practical to go out in the weather. I just can't think of a way to use these in a practical sense. Let me know what you think about these in the comments down below. Is it just me, or are these completely unwearable? I would love to know which of these wearable trends you intend to rock, which ones you intend to skip, and if you would wear the two that I just mentioned, the shiny silver pants or the furry shoes, and if so, how would you style them? Thanks so much for watching and spending a little bit of your day with me, and I will see you next time. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 most wearable trends going into fall and winter. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5, take 2. Oh Lord, my hair is getting bigger by the minute in this humidity. By the end of the video, it's going to be out to here.